Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to deactivate your Facebook account temporarily or permanently on iPhone in 2026. So guys, if you want to deactivate or delete your Facebook account permanently, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, this is very basic and simple. You can easily do this. So guys, first of all, go back to your home screen and make sure that you are using the updated version of Facebook on your device. So guys, for that, go to App Store or Play Store and search for Facebook. And then download and install the latest version of Facebook app on your device. And after this, open it and go to your profile or your account. And from here, scroll it below and go to settings and privacy. And then go to settings and then go to account center, and from here you have to tap on manage accounts, and now here you can see accounts ownership and control. Tap on this, and from here you can see deactivation or deletion option. You have to simply tap on this and select your profile, and from here you can see you can deactivate your account temporarily from here, and you can also delete your account permanent from here as well. So guys, you can select anyone from here, whichever you want. Here you can see this, and after this tap on continue, and after this you have to tap on continue again, and after this you have to simply give here the password of your profile and follow the further instructions. So guys, after this your account will be deleted, or you can also temporarily deactivate your account as well from here. So guys, these are the ways which you can follow to deactivate or delete your Facebook account in 2026. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.